Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Can you tell me why are you learning English? Tell me why are you learning English? Why you want to speak this language? Think and tell me. And wait, if your answer is just because you will quit next month, yeah, this is why you are learning English just for quitting. Think, why are you learning English? To quit next month or next week, or today you started learning English and you want to quit next after next 10 days? Then why are you learning English? I'm asking this question because today in this video I am talking about purpose. My topic is purpose and I am going to talk something important. So please don't skip this video and wait, listen carefully. I am asking this question, why you want to learn English? Because I want to tell you something. First, let me tell you, 1 year back, I was also learning English, and that time, no plan, just no purpose. I was just watching random videos and I just wanted to learn English. And when you have no purpose, you have no why, you give up, you quit. And this is what happened with me. आई क्विट लर्निंग इंग्लिश मतलब रास्ता ही नहीं है तो फिर जाएंगे कहाँ, राइट? तो बीच में ही छोड़ दिया, फिर टूटा फूटा इंग्लिश था, थोड़ा मोड़ा सही हुआ लेकिन फिर छोड़ दिया. सो गाइस, आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ माई व्यूअर्स scared to speak this language, and this is the reason because they had no purpose, right? Wait, listen carefully. अभी वीडियो ख़त्म नहीं हुई है. ओके, वेट, लिसन. One day I asked myself, what is my purpose? Why I am learning English? Then inside my heart, one answer came. Because I want to help students like me who feel scared of speaking English. Okay. So I want to help you guys because I मैं पहले डरती थी इंग्लिश बोलने से. So my reason is I want to help students like me who feel scared of learning English, who don't feel confident, who is scared, who is stuck. So now my purpose is clear. Then again I started my practicing English, and then because I had to teach you guys, I want to feel you confident, I want to make you confident in this language. So first I need to be perfect, not that much perfect but at least इतना कि मैं आप सबको टीच कर सकूँ, इंग्लिश में बोल सकूँ, so that you can listen. So I started learning this language. See, today I am teaching you, I am guiding you, not like professionals but at least something, some guide I can give you. You can listen to this, you can practice this, you can understand something from this video, right? So guys, now I practice English by teaching you, and I make videos, I teach you, and I practice as well. So guys, purpose, this is the word purpose. Okay, purpose, PURPOSE, purpose is very important. So what is purpose? So guys, your purpose must be strong, any strong reason. Like my purpose, I already tell you that I want to teach students who feel scared of speaking English. I want to help them, I want to teach them, and this is my purpose. And I feel positive, I feel good when I do this. It makes me happy, right? So guys, English without purpose is like a SIM card with no recharge, I guess. Right? Yeah, it looks useful, but does nothing. So, guys, I want to tell you from this video that what is your purpose. Start first. What is your purpose? Like, just write in the comment, my purpose for English is this and this. Write in the comment box, and I will read every comment and I'm going to help you. Because when your why is strong, when your purpose is strong, your English becomes strong. Okay, so purpose must be clear, my dear friends. And I did this mistake. I didn't set my purpose. That is why I want to tell you from this video. So purpose is very important. Okay, very important. Wait, video is not India. Let me tell you. Actually, listen. Purpose is not a big scary word. Okay, purpose is just your answer to one simple question: why I am doing this? Why am I doing this? Why? Just think about it. If you don't know why you are learning English, then one bad day is enough to make you stop. One difficult grammar rule, one person who laughs at you, one video with low views, and you will think, leave it, this is not for me, this is not my cup of tea. You quit. But when you have a purpose, everything changes. Purpose is your fuel. Like when you are tired, purpose says, keep going, keep going. You are good. Keep going, keep going. So purpose pushes you. It it gives you strength. Right? This is what I want to tell you guys. Just keep going. When you fail, purpose, when you have purpose, it says, try again, my dear friend, try again. Inside your heart, this voice can try again. So, guys, purpose is very important. And my purpose is simple. I want no student feel scared of English like I used to feel. I want to make you confident. I want to help you that you can speak English fluently with confidence without any hesitation, without stuck in public, in presentation, in office, wherever you go. So I want to help you guys. And that purpose makes me record videos even days when I have zero views, I have no subscribers. But purpose pushes me. So guys, your purpose can be small. Maybe you want to get a job to help your parents. Maybe you want to travel without fear. Maybe you just want to speak confidently in front of your relatives, in front of public. So no purpose is small. Okay, if it is important to you, then it is big enough. Okay, so just today, before you open another English book, just close your eyes for 10 seconds and ask yourself, why am I learning English? And find the answer and write on your wall or any small page. And because the day you forget your purpose, this is why I am telling you, because if you forget your purpose, you forget your power. And the day you remember your purpose, no one can stop you to achieving this goal, any goal, not even you. Okay, so one purpose can help you to achieve your goal, right? Just find your why, find your why, find your reason, and keep going, keep trying. So your purpose is your why, why. And when you have no why, means no try. And when you no try, you are not going to get success, not going to. So strong purpose creates strong results. Okay. And yeah, English without purpose is like something tea without sugar, you can say. It looks okay, but gives no energy, no taste. So this is what I want to tell you. And I just feel positive, I feel good when I teach English. and my purpose is to help you that you don't feel scared, you don't feel hesitate while speaking English. So yeah, wait, don't skip this video. Listen carefully, guys. Just start with purpose. And most of my viewers say, how I start learning? First, what is your purpose? Okay, set your purpose, because when you have purpose, your purpose will push you and you are going to learn this language. It happened with me, that is why I am sharing this with you. You know, जब मेरे पर्पस नहीं था ना, तो बीच में छोड़ देते हैं, 2 दिन 4 दिन प्रैक्टिस किया, 10 दिन प्रैक्टिस किया, छोड़ देते हैं. लेकिन जब पर्पस होता है ना, तो बहुत पॉजिटिव फील होता है, बहुत ही अच्छा भी लगता है और बहुत मज़ा भी आता है दोस्तों. लाइक मैं यूट्यूब वीडियोस बनाती हूँ, मेरा पर्पस है कि मैं आप लोगों की हेल्प कर सकूँ जो इंग्लिश में बिगनर्स हैं, इंग्लिश नहीं समझ आती है, इंग्लिश कॉन्फिडेंटली इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाते हैं. सो दिस इज़ माई पर्पस. और जब मैं वीडियोस अपलोड करती हूँ तो मेरा एक ही पर्पस होता है कि ये वीडियो अगर उन लोगों तक पहुँचेगा तो ये वीडियो उनको मोटिवेट करेगा, उनको हेल्प करेगा. दो ही व्यूअर्स हो, 4 ही व्यूअर्स को हेल्प करेगा, लेकिन करेगा. सो दिस इज़ वॉट आई थिंक, and that's why I upload videos. Yeah, I get no views, sometimes 20 views, 50 views, and but still I don't know, I feel positive. कभी कभी सैडनेस भी होती है कि यार क्या ही कर रही हूँ मैं लाइफ में, इतनी मेहनत से वीडियो बनाती हूँ बट स्टिल आई डोंट गेट व्यूज़, इनफ व्यूज़. मेरा चैनल भी अभी तक मोनेटाइज नहीं हुआ है, बट स्टिल मैं वीडियो अपलोड कर रही हूँ. तो कहीं ना कहीं ये पर्पस है, कहीं ना कहीं होप भी है, कंसिस्टेंसी भी है. ये सारी चीज़ें जो वर्ड्स छोटे छोटे हैं ना, बहुत ही लाइफ में बहुत ही एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं. अब मैं यहाँ पर ज़्यादा स्पीच नहीं देने वाली. सो माई वीडियो इज़ वॉट, जो मैं बोलना चाहती थी, जो मैसेज देना चाहती थी दोस्तों, मैंने दे दिया है. सो ज़्यादा स्पीच नहीं देते हुए, लेट्स इन दिस वीडियो एंड set your purpose, and in the comment section comment that my purpose is for learning English is this, and keep trying, keep learning, and all the best. And please, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो सब्सक्राइब एंड सपोर्ट. बाय.